All right, y'all. Here we are, part 2 of today's tutorial. Here's my AeroGarden here. So look at the collard greens, y'all. Isn't that amazing? If it wasn't so cold like outside where I planted the other ones originally, they're just now starting to sprout outside. But look at this, what the AeroGarden does. Look at this, you guys. Just look at it. Do you see them beautiful greens there? Look how tall and lovely and how full it's looking. That's how it's going to look out there too. But it's just cold. It's just a slower process. But it definitely proves that this one grows much quicker, you know, when you're using AeroGarden. So I highly recommend it. If you're trying to do an indoor garden, you can probably plant a few at a time because it's going to get really big, of course, right? But just look, I'm so excited. And these are Graham Tea's greens. They're coming along as well. Remember how little they were in the beginning? Look at those. Aren't they cute? It's Graham Tea seeds right there, you guys. Isn't that cute? Then look at the cucumbers over there, y'all. Just look at the cucumber plant. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I love it. I can't even see my stick anymore that's in there. But look how full it is. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm going to have to repot these pretty soon. But I'm going to wait a couple of more days because Papa Daddy, got to make me another bench so I can put these babies on. I don't want to put them on the ground because it's already cold enough, you know, so I don't want it being too much on the ground, even though plants grow on the ground anyway, through the ground, but my plants are special. I want them elevated a little bit. So, yeah, look at that, you guys. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Woo, look at them cucumber plants. So that's been about a process of about 2 weeks or a week and a half, I would say. Just amazing. Probably about, let's say, 2 weeks. But anyway, stay tuned, you guys, for more updating gardening with Mama So Kitchen. Stay tuned.